My name is Crystal K. Drisa. I am 29 years old. I am single. I don't have kids. About my working experience, I worked before as domestic helper here in Philippines in 2 years. My special skills are cooking, cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing, marketing, gardening, and taking care of kids, taking care of elderly, and taking care of adults. I am hardworking, caring, and honest. I can work alone or even with co-workers. I prefer to taking care of elderly, kids, adults, and pets. Thank you.